So the first thing you'll need to do is open Microsoft Word. So I'm gonna open Microsoft Word 2013. Then you're gonna maximize the page so that you can only see Microsoft Word, and you're gonna select your blank document. Then we want to change the file type to a template, so we're gonna go on File and we're gonna go on Export. Then we're gonna change file type and we're gonna select template. So now we need to save the template, so you need to save it somewhere you can retrieve it. So and you're gonna call it recycling survey. So that's the name of the document, and I'm gonna save it on the desktop, but you can save it wherever you want. Then we're gonna go on View and we're gonna select the page weight. Then we're gonna go on Page Layout and change the size of the page. So you're gonna click on More Paper Size and you're gonna adjust the height to 4.75. You click OK. Then we're gonna change the margin. So you're gonna click on Custom Margin. Then you're gonna change the top to 0.25, the bottom to 0.5 to 0, the left to 0.5, the right to 0.5, and you're gonna click OK. Then you're gonna go on Design and change the page color. You're gonna change it to Split Stream. Then you're gonna go on Font and you're gonna change it to Calibri. Then you'll change the page color to Green Accent 3. Now you can go on the Home tab and select the Show an Eye to help you. Then you're gonna type Grants Recycling Service, and that's gonna be your title of your form. Then you're gonna click Enter and you're gonna write Saving Energy and Conserving Natural Resource for You, and that's gonna be your subtitle. Then you're gonna press Enter and you'll write Community Survey, since we're doing a survey. Then you're gonna press Enter and write please fill in the form below, save the filled in form and email it to survey@grantrecycling.com, and you're gonna press Enter. Then you're gonna select your Grants Recycling Service and put it in a 28-point copper plate Gothic bold. So that's the font we're gonna select for this one. And you're gonna put it in the color turquoise, accent 2, darker 50%. So now we're gonna change the line spacing option to remove the space after the paragraph. And we're gonna select saving energy and conserving natural resources for you. So, so we're gonna put this in italic and with the color of orange, accent 5, darker 50%. Then we're gonna take the community survey and we're gonna put it in 18 points bold, and we're gonna change the color to turquoise, accent 2, darker 50%, and we're gonna center the text. Then for the fourth line, we only need to center the text. So at the end, you should end up with something like this. As you can see, you can click on every checkbox and you can write your name to fill out the form. So the first thing you'll need to do is you're gonna start Excel 2013 and you're gonna open other workbooks. Then you're gonna go get the file that you need. Mine is on computer, browse, courses, test, handouts, G-Forbes, Infotech 2, 2013, Excel, Chapter 8, and you're gonna select the file that you need, and this one is Eckhart Pet Supplies Sales Data. So you're gonna open that, you're gonna go on File, and you're gonna save it as Eckhart Pet Supplies Sales Analysis. So you can save it wherever you want, preferably somewhere you can retrieve it. Then make sure you're on the 6-year sales figure, and you're gonna select through A4 down to G5. You're gonna go on Insert, Online, and you're gonna select the 2D line. So the line is 2D line chart with data makers. So you're gonna select that, and you're gonna move the chart on a new sheet, and you're gonna call that thread line, the thread line chart. So as you can see, it move into another sheet. Now what you do is you're gonna change the title. You're gonna change it to Eckhart Pet Supplies Total Sales 2007-2012. And you're gonna press enter, or you can click anywhere else. gonna select your chart, and you're gonna go on Add Chart Element, and you're gonna select thread line, and you're gonna go on More Thread Line clip art. Make sure you're on Linear, and change the forward to 2.0, and the backward it needs to stay to 0, and you're gonna check Display R squared value on chart. You're gonna close that, and as you can see, the R squared value is now on your chart. So at the end, you should end up, when you're finished with the document, you should end up with something like this. So as you can see, there's a lot more that there was in this chapter, but we only covered for the thread line. So that's what we've done with the thread line. So that's what